Hello, welcome to me talking about code. So I've been working on this Vue.js app that just is my intro to Vue.js, basically. I've been working on it for the past week, give or take, not straight, obviously, but you know, it's been my project. So I've been doing this. I got a cute little thing. I'll just show you what I have, which is this. We don't need the console open right now because there won't be any errors. Okay, so we've got this was me like just learning the basics of Vue.js. You throw a link in here like google.com, and it puts it in an array, and then the array through VueX commands and whatnot, some functions and stuff. It gets displayed here in this div on the left. This left div. And then there's this right div, and this is one component, and this is two components. So if I click this remove all links button, obviously it takes a second, and then it removes all the links. That's the timer. It doesn't actually take the time to remove the links, but that stuff was all following a tutorial by DesignCourse. So I'll have them linked in the description and the videos that I followed to set up the local server to get the web page up, and then also all that stuff that I just showed you with the links and whatnot. But then this stuff was a different tutorial from a guy named Erik on a channel called Program with Erik. Great tutorial, 17 minutes, and I learned a pretty good amount, honestly. So that's pretty cool. So what happened is this is a search bar that's connected to the NASA API. So you search in here like something like sun, you hit enter, and then it searches through the NASA database for your keyword, and it gives you a bunch of images on their database. So I do something like moon, and it give me different images. What do you know? And the way that works, we'll just like look through it really quick. How everything happens. So I've got my VueX file here. This is where all the like code JavaScripty stuff happens. Not all of it, but like the important stuff. I have this search command. It takes the query from the nasa.vue and it puts it into the NASA search query, and it finds an array of images, and it sends that array of images back to the view through just a getter. And I have just this console.log. That was me testing to make sure it works. I guess I don't really need that anymore, so we'll get rid of it. And then I also have, you know, just setting the results back. That sets, it's like an array of 100 different, I think it maxes out at 100, but it's an array of just all the different images that it found based on your search. This other stuff is just like basic stuff that I had to learn to do the other component, the first one, the links and stuff. I took the tutorial and I kind of added VueXC stuff to it, I believe. So yeah, thanks for watching.